thunderstorm warning for northern Buffalo County until 2:45 p.m. At 2 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Modena, 7 miles north of Alma, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Modena around 2:15 p.m. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is Weather Radio Station WX.